I love a recipe that actually isn't a recipe, but just a method. And I'm doing it today with my citrus sweet and sour cooking sauce, because you don't need a whole bunch of one type of citrus. Although you can do it with just lemon or just orange. But this, the glory of this one, it is mixed with whatever you happen to have. I have some funny looking ugly fruit, bless them, and I have some very frost battered lemonade. I've got just a small number of overripe, squirted myself in the eye, kaffir lime. I've got some lemon and navel orange and a couple of mandarin. With this recipe, you chop it all up roughly and you put it in a big pot and you cover it with water. Simple. You don't need to weigh the fruit. You do need to wash them first though, please remember that. And you'll be chucking that on the boil for about 60 minutes. After which time we're going to strain the liquid from the cooked fruit. So you can use a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth or even a pillowcase. Through a colander into a large clean bowl, and it's the liquid we are after, so let it strain. It can do so overnight, no pressure, all good. And then what we're going to do is measure the liquid, and this is where the method comes in, because there is a ratio you need to remember. It's the only thing you need to remember, and you might need a calculator, but it's ratio of 10 to the liquid and 7 to the white sugar. So I've measured my liquid by the cup, and I have approximately 6 cups, and given the 10 to 7 ratio, so that's 6 times 0.7, I get 4.2. So let's call it 4 cups of white sugar. That is the method. It goes into a pot. Give it a quick stir to make sure that sugar doesn't stick to the bottom, and we'll bring that to the boil for 1 hour. Collect any scum that may appear on the top, and you can discard that. It'll have this beautiful clear citrus glow, and that is ready to bottle. Once those jars are filled and into the water bath for around 10 minutes, out they come and ready to set. While they appear quite runny now, when they set, you'll find it will get a lot thicker. So you're not looking for this magical setting point like you would in a jelly. Similar to a cordial, it's slightly thicker, it certainly is concentrated, and it can be used in so many delicious things. I like it using it in a stir fry or drizzled over fish as it is cooking, or basting a chicken dish or a whole chicken. So it's really versatile. There you go. How easy is that? A recipe that's not really a recipe, but is in fact a method.